There is a new app going viral right now called Hila App. People are joining this app because they feel that it looks like an easy way to earn using just your phone. But the real question is, how does this app actually work, and what exactly are users doing inside, and does it actually pay? Make sure you watch this video till the end. So Hila App is a reward-based mobile application where users can earn by completing simple app activities, and everything inside the app runs on point system, which means that you get rewarded in points which can later be converted. Now the app is currently available on Play Store, and you can register an account for free using Google. And while registering, make sure you fill in your information carefully and fill in the invite code to get coins reward. So this is what the home page looks like. So you see this banner up here. You just look for the ones that say stay active, unlock reward, and you click on it. So one way you can earn points on this app is by staying active on the app. And if you can see here, we have daily tasks, and you stay online or active on the app for 60 minutes daily. Or you also have another way to earn points by playing games. You can play up to 60 games daily to earn reward. And as you can also see here, the daily points you can earn is 6,000 points daily. So like I said before, this Hila app is based on points, or you get rewarded with points. Now, according to the app's current system, 10,000 points is equivalent to $1. So which means the 6,000 points you earn, or the 6,000 points you are rewarded with for completing the activities, is equivalent to 60 cents or $0.6. So that is what I actually found out from my careful research. Another important detail is that you earn this 6,000 points for 7 days. So this is how to know how many minutes you've spent on the app. You will see your time counting up here. As you can see, I've been online on the app for 30 minutes today. And when you come to daily tasks, you'll be able to claim your reward. So this is how you claim your reward on this app. Now, as you can also see here, you see that the minimum withdrawal is 100,000 points, which is equivalent to $10. And when you go over to your profile and click on the withdrawal section or the diamond section, you will see that at the moment the withdrawal feature is available for users in the Philippines. So if you are watching this video right now and you are located in the Philippines, then you should be able to access the withdrawal system based on the app's current setup. So if you are from other countries, you may need to wait for additional withdrawal options to become available later on. And there's actually a discussion among users that a USDT withdrawal options may be introduced in coming weeks. So if that eventually happens, then it could make withdrawals available to more users globally, which will be very, very nice. But take note that this has not been officially confirmed at the time I'm making this video. And please take note that this video is for educational and informational purpose only. So I'm not guaranteeing earnings, withdrawals, or any future updates. And that's why I'll encourage you to still make your own careful research before spending any time on this app. And I also want to know what you think. Is this app worth your time? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And if this video helped you understand how Hila app works, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos like this. Also feel free to join my Telegram channel for more updates and earning app discussion. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.